Hello everyone, can you hear me? Please let me know if you can hear me. If you can hear me, just drop a message in the comment section. Yeah, drop a message in this comment section. Let me know if you can hear me. Hello, awesome, awesome. Okay, we are live on YouTube and we're live on Facebook as well. So let's just give a few seconds. I'll say a few seconds for us to kick off fully. If you can hear me, please let me know. If you cannot hear me, if there's any lag, let me know, please. Let me know. Let me have that input quickly. Okay. Hello, guys. I hope you've been good. Today, welcome to Crypto Smart Analyst launch party. Yeah, the Crypto Smart Analyst is a tool, it's an advanced tool for traders, not advanced per se. I'll say it's like the most easiest trading tool you can actually ever see in the market, right? We're going to be talking about that tonight. So, before we kick off, please ensure to like and subscribe and share the screen with share the live session, share the link with your friends and family, share it in your WhatsApp status. Let's get every people in your network to come on and let's learn together, right? We're going to be talking a lot about the trading actually, and we're going to be talking a lot about investment. So if you have any questions, please drop it. If you have any question, don't forget. There's going to be sessions where I'm going to be looking into questions to actually respond to them. Okay. So share with your friends, share on Facebook, share on WhatsApp, share with your friends. Let's network. Let's talk about trading, investment, basically. And don't forget, like I said, I'm going to be giving 1,500 users access to the trading tool today. So stay tuned and get yourself ready. Yeah, get yourself ready. Okay. So for us to kick in, okay, I would not make the mistake I made on Thursday, which is me not recording, right? I'm going to ensure that I record. That was a very big mistake on my side. So I'm going to ensure I'm recording back end so that in case YouTube messed up, we're going to have a backup. So let me see if we're live. Yeah, we're live. We're still live. We're live. Wow, there's a lag. Okay, what's going on? We're live. We're still live now. Okay, good. Excellent connection. Sorry, I'm just trying to ensure that what happened the last time did not happen this time around. Okay, so like I said, share with your friend, click the like button and share with your friends. Yeah, share with your friends. Let's open the connection to everyone. And like I said, the network is quite all right. Yeah, quite those are correct. Good. So today we're going to be talking about crypto trading, crypto smart analyst trading. Actually, how to trade, how to invest. I know a lot of people have actually been having some challenges in trading. You probably have been trading and you have some lags in your trading, and I've been in that position there where I actually trades and I lost a lot of money in trading. I started my trading journey. Okay, so a brief introduction about myself. I'm Oluwaseyi. I think I have a partner here, right? So I'm Oluwaseyi Falola. I'm a certified engineer specialized in robotics and UAVs, and I have a master degree in mechanical engineering. Yeah, and basically in the blockchain space and crypto space, I've been in the blockchain space for about 8 years now. Okay, I've been trading and diving into the space and taking advantage of making money and losing money, basically, right? So that's just a little bit personal about myself. Yes, I'm an OTC trader. I've been a DAO governor, community manager. So I basically trade and guide people in investment and trading. And I'm a public speaker and also advise us to several projects here. So these are different things I've done in the crypto space. And my experience in the space in terms of, I get a lot of people coming to me and like, they want to learn, what should I do? I mean, especially newbies, right? They just come to me, what should I buy? How shall I buy? Which one should I buy? Is it the right time to buy, right? I actually have guys, like a few of my friends already told me like, oh, tell me when the right time to buy Bitcoin, right? I was like, guy, calm down. I remember a friend of mine came to me chill a bit for Bitcoin to dump in that was up higher, right? To chill a bit for Bitcoin to dump in November before you can start buying. So those are things that people just get to disturb me about, questions about, and I think there is a need for us to actually have a product can actually give people insight about the market. Yeah, so you can actually get to have direct insight about the market, what the market is doing. You can get to see what's up in you get insight about sentiment about the market. You get volume, you get indication, more like an alert of when to buy, where should I buy or should I sell? Oh, sorry about that. So you get alert about where to buy, where to sell. Okay, like I'm saying, don't forget to share with your friends. Please share the link with your friends. Uh, sorry, let me do a little sharing myself so that some people will not miss out. Anyway, it's on YouTube. You can easily get to have access to it. So I've not really been doing YouTube live for a while because I had to focus on the pro development. So I'm a pro developer as well. That's one side I've not said. Like, yeah, aside being a certified engineer, I do hardware and software pro development here. So that's one of the things I do. So don't mind me. This is my workshop right now. So you have my 3D printer behind and several other stuff here. This is like where the work get done, both hardware and software anyway. So back to back to crypto. So I get a lot of people asking me questions about how to what to buy. Should I buy? I mean, when to buy and stuff like that. So and I had the need to actually develop this product for everyone to actually be able to take advantage of it. And wow, see what awesome. Okay, let's do it again. I'm trying to say I realized one of the screen we actually shared is not loading well, which is not supposed to be. Okay, so let's zoom it right now. Okay, awesome. So on the screen is the tool, yeah. This is just linear. I made an analysis on this today, and we're able to predict direction and make some profit out of it. So, like I said, we have professional traders that actually still lose money. Even me as a professional trader, I lose money sometimes, yeah. But losing money is like part of the thing. But as a long-term investor, you want to know when to buy. You want to know if you should buy at all. Like those are things you want to know. You want to get insight about. So, as a professional trader, as a newbie, these two actually help you to know, get the right information about the market. This is actually version one. There's going to be more versions that's going to give you insight about we are probably going to integrating AI chatbot into it, where you can easily ask AI direct questions, and based on the tools and all the algorithm we've already built into it, you can get insight about it. Please, if I'm too fast, please let me know. If I'm too fast, let me know so I can probably retard a bit and continue from there. So if I'm too fast, let me know, and get ready with your tokens, the coins you want us to analyze. Yeah, get ready with the coins you want to us to analyze. I'm actually currently dropping that on our YouTube, on our Telegram channel right now. So come with your coin. Any out of the market is going to go down. It's going to help you know that. Two, it's going to give you insight about the sentiment. That is, like I said in the last session, right? I said sentiment is basically what drives price. That's your price will not go up or down if people are not willing to buy at a certain price. Yes, people say volume, liquidity is what drive price. Yes, liquidity has an effect on price, but what really drive the price is the sentiment. Like there needs to be a dynamics. There needs to be an understanding of what is going to happen in the market. More like we have for each bull run, there is a what's the word now? Um, there's a psychology that actually push each bull run. For those that do not understand what bull run is, yeah, bull means buy, sorry, bullish, sorry, okay, yeah, bullish, bull run, yeah. Bull run means when the price is basically going up, right? So bull means buy or green. Whenever you see green, if you're looking at the candlestick right now, you're seeing green. Green means bullish, means buy. Okay, it means people are buying. That's what the candle means. We have buyers, people are buying. That's why you have the green candle. And conventionally, candlesticks is white and green. Yeah, sorry, red and green, either red and green. So the tool, the CSA, that is the CSTP tool, is what is really giving you the white and the blue that you're seeing on the chart right now. And I'm going to explain how they work, the effect of all these the colors, right? So we have the blue, we have the green, and the red. Green means bullish, or people are buying, or yeah, that's like bullish buying. That's basically it. Red means sell, or people are shorting. That is, people are bearish. So we have bull, we have we have bullish, we have long, we have green. They are all the same thing. They are basically in the same category. Bull, bullish or bull, green and long. Bullish, green, long, and buy. Yeah, bullish, green, long, and buy. It means they are on the same side. That is, people are really buying. Price is going up. Then we have sell, we have red, we have bearish, and we have shorts. They all mean the same thing. Okay, shorts, that is shorting. We have sell, is the same thing as shorts. And we have bearish, basically the same thing as short. So if you, those terminologies are things you might probably have been hearing in the space. Okay, so if you're hearing stuff like that, bullish, shorts, bullish, green, buy, long, they all mean the same thing. Or if you hear shorts, sell, or you see a red candle, or you hear bearish, that is they mean the same thing. So all those four, what's a category? Bullish, bullish, green, buy, and long. That means buying, price is going up, meaning it's upward. Then short, bearish, sell, and red, it means price is going down. So that's it. If you have any question about that, please drop it in the comment section. I'm going to respond to it. Okay, I'm going to come to the section of questions as well, so prepare your questions as well. And if you want us to analyze any coin, we're going to do that on this slide. Just drop it in the comment section. You can start dropping it right now, because I realized that there seems to be some lag in communication. Like there's a lag in my video feed right now and what you're seeing. So drop your comments right now. If you have any point you want us to and you want me to respond to, or your questions, right? Drop it, start dropping them right now, so that before I finish, I will have probably been able to see them. It will cover for the lags. So like I said, this tool is going to help you know when to buy. Now, if you look at the chart right now, you see some arrow. The arrow basically help you indicate when the market is going down. Arrow, market is going up. Okay, when the market is going up. Price actions tells you when the market is going up and stuff like that. That's what it does. So you can see this was linear I'm on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, this is linear. Now, before I move forward, I want to say something very, very important for both traders and investors, a long-term investor. Like if you come to me and ask me, when should I buy now? Like let's say, should you buy Bitcoin now, or should you buy Ethereum, XRP, PNB now? The first question I'll ask you is, how long do you want to hold it? Which is very, very important. Time frame, that is the time. Time is very important when it comes to investment or trading. Time is very important. So how long do you want to invest for? Can you see if you do your fundamental analysis or technical analysis, you must know the time. Time frame is very important. So how long do you want to invest for? Right now, I'm currently on 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame means that each candle is 4 hours. So this candle started from I think this green candle was started in, that's 4 hours. It closed by 1 o'clock. So this one closed by 5 o'clock. So that means this candle opened at 4 o'clock and closed at 5 o'clock p.m. today. So that's the implication of each of the candles. So if I change it to 1 hour, you see that each of these candle also means each of these candle means 1 hour. That is, it takes 1 hour for this candle to open and close. So if I'm going to 1 month, I'm going to monthly time frame, right? Monthly is actually still bearish. Linear is bearish on the monthly right now. So if you're bullish on it, don't jump on it yet. Lina is still showing sign of bearishness on monthly right now. There's no liquidity, there's no volume or liquidity to push it. Okay, I'm already going too deep here. So basically, this tool is meant for newbies, is meant for OGs, is meant for active traders, and also for long-term traders, long-term investors, those that will just buy and hold. So if you're buying and holding, you can easily subscribe to it. You can get to know which coin to buy and when to buy them. Basically, it gives you information about it. If there's enough liquidity to move your price upward, it will tell you. If there's enough liquidity to move it downward, it will tell you. If the sentiment in the market, if we are already building the market for the price to start going up, it will tell you. Those are things, and those are the major things that move the market. Like I said, volume is not enough to move the price action. Volume that people are paying, that there's money is not enough to move it. Sentiment is really what moves the market. So this to actually study people's emotions and everything, we put in AI into it to actually study people's emotion on the general market. Trading View, and now why we building on Trading View? Trading View is like one of the most sophisticated platform and the most adopted platform by almost all exchange. If you check Binance, TradingView is on Binance, TradingView is on KuCoin, TradingView is on mention any exchange, even on CoinMarketCap. I mean, in Forex, we get to use TradingView in there, right? So that's one of the reason why this tool is being built on TradingView. So before you can be able to use this tool right now, because currently we are building another platform on cryptosmartanalyst.com where you can be able to use the tool directly. Yeah. But for now, you need to have a TradingView account. Even with that here, you would need to have a TradingView account. So if you check the description of this live, you should are we still live? I hope we're still live. I hope YouTube has not messed up this time around. Let me check. Okay. Awesome, we're still live. So you need to, like I said, drop your question, please. Yeah. If you want to get the, what was I saying? I've lost my train of thought right now. I was talking about what was I talking about? Shit happens, man. Shit happens. I was talking about something. What was that? I spoke about sentiments. Yeah, TradingView account. Yes, you go to your what's it called? Go to the description of this video. There's a link right now. I'm going to share it on the. I'm going to share it in the comment section. Volume is low. Okay. Okay. I'll try to step up the volume a bit here. Let me see. If you can hear me, let me know. Try to step up the volume as I can. I don't want it to be too much actually, because there seems to be an echo. If you can hear me, let me know. Okay. Okay. I don't want it to be too much so that it won't overlap. There seems to be an echo. I don't know why OBS is giving. I'm currently using OBS and it's giving me some audio issues. So I hope it's fixed. If it's loud enough. Okay. If it's loud enough, let me know. If you can still, if it's still low, let me know if it's still low. Yeah. So I was talking about going to the description of the live right now. You will see the link, but I'm going to drop the link in the comment section right now. So I sent it to somebody recently. Yeah, it's there. You see access request link. Yeah, just click on the link. I'm going to drop it again right now in the live so you can actually be able to click on it. So for you to be able to have access to it, you should. Okay, awesome. Volume is better now. For you to be able to have access to it, you should use the link I just dropped right now to have access to the tool. For those that are yet to have access to it, yeah, just click on the link, fill the form, and submit your username. I'm going to after this live, like I said, I'm going to be giving 1,500 people free access for the next 7 days. So you can get to use it to analyze. You have an asset. My advice, right, when you're using it is the first, let's say for the first 2 days, just to study how the tools work. Then probably for the rest of the days, for the rest of the 5 days, use to trade and make some good money out of it. So how does it work? Let me explain now. Let's go back to itself here. So this is basic tutorial. We're coming back to how the tool works actually. The first thing after signing up was once you've been granted access, you need to come to TradingView, your indicator, right? If you're using mobile and you've downloaded the TradingView app, you're going to see a plus sign. You're going to see a plus sign on your screen, right? Once you click on the plus sign, I'm currently not sharing my mobile screen right now. Once on that chart, you have to click on chart. You see a plus sign. Click on that plus sign. Then you see trade. You see indicator. Click on Click on the indicator and type CSTP, just as written here, right? CSTP or SY Crypt or just Crypto Smart. Once you type it in there, you should be able to have access to all the CSTP. Okay, this is it. You can see CSTP. So you can click. I've already added it, so I'm not gonna be clicking it again. Just click on it, and you can be able to check it out. And it's gonna be added to your tools access. If you have not been granted access, it will not work. It will just give you a notification that you need to be granted access. It's an invite only link, right? Okay, so I'm currently on daily time frame on Lina right now. So how does the tool work? You get to see arrows, right? These arrows indicate that the market is bullish. This green means market is bullish. Red means market is bearish. Okay, that's the indication. Green means market is bullish. Bear means market is bearish. I did analyze. Let's start from. We're going to be analyzing stock. We're going to be analyzing crypto. We're going to be analyzing forex. Okay, so these are a few analyses I did on Link a few days ago. I dropped it on the group right now, and I said we should long link from here. That was last month where we actually did a long on Link, and a few days ago I said short Link. And why did I say we should short Link? Was because of this indicator. So you can see, if you're looking at the chart right now, you see the green arrow, you see the red arrow, which red arrow means indicates sell. That is, the market is going to go down. The green arrow indicates buy. That is, the market is going to go up. Now, how do you there's a possibility of the market being manipulated. Okay, there's a potential where markets actually get manipulated, that you can see. I think something like that happened here, right? Is it on Link here? It happened on Link here. It was on Link. I saw it few chats ago. Okay, good. Yeah, this is it. This is it. I know it's on Link. So you got an indication that you should buy. Now we have this yellow line. We have this yellow line. We actually is a moving average line actually that help you. It's basically the price action will always come back to this line. It will always come to test this line, either to break it or to test it. It will always. So that's like one very important thing to note. So if when the indicator indicates that you should buy, the first thing you want to do is to chillax. Once you see the indicator saying buy, you just calm down, wait for the next candle. If it's saying buy on a blue candle, like it's saying the arrow is like showing on a blue candle, it's telling you yes, there's enough volume for you to see. It can show the arrow on a blue candle or on a red candle. That is for buy. But like I said, the blue means bullish, the white means bearish, red also means bearish, green also means bullish. Okay, I'm basically saying this for technical analysts actually, for those that trade, active traders. So for active traders, yeah, that's how you get to know. So when you see a blue candle with a red wick like this, a blue candle with a red wick basically indicates that yes, the market is going to go up, but there's a potential of it. The current sentiment in the market is that if they want to reject, it's going to come down. And if you look at what happened after this candle close, the market actually came down and now get rejected. Now, for as long as the candle closes above this yellow line, it is still valid. As long as it closes above this yellow line, it is still valid. But once it crosses below the yellow line and closes, now like I said, this one is touching. Okay, this one touched, this one tested and rejected. Closes above. That is the market started from here, went up as high as this, came back down as high as this, and now closed here. That's the implication of this market. That's why it is blue and there's enough volume to move it up. That's why it is blue and with a green wick. But if the market, if the candle, if the price actually closed below this yellow line, if it closes below the yellow line, is an indication that the price is going to go down. That that uptrend has been rejected. And one of the things I always do as a trader is once I see profit, I always tell my guys or everybody in my both free and premium class, once you see a profit, take it. Once you see profit, take profit. Always protect your profit actually. Always. No, you don't need to take it actually. You don't need to take your profit, but always protect it. With basically you protect it with trading stop loss or with normal stop loss, limit stop loss, or market stop loss, whichever stop loss you want to do. Just ensure that you protect your profit. It's very, very important. Protect your profit. Once you see it, protect it. So this indicates that buy. Now for me, I'm going to once I see this arrow, I'm waiting for it to possibly come and test this yellow line. Sometimes it might not come back to test it. Sometimes it might not come back to test it. So sometimes the best thing is just for you to sometimes leave it. I always say don't FOMO. FOMO is like the wrongest thing you want to do in trading. Try not to FOMO as much as you can. Try not to FOMO. And understanding this too, if you understand candlestick psychology, if you understand candlestick philosophy and candlestick psychology, you understand how to use this tool much better. As in, like, this is like more or less an evening star, a doji at the top of an uptrend. It's basically indicating the market is going to reverse. So even for you, it's as a trader, once you see this, you're like, oh, the price is going to reverse. A possibility is a possibility that the market is going to reverse. Now, you need to wait for confirmation for all candles. Always wait for confirmation, please. Always wait for confirmation. So if the market say the price is going down, like if this one indicates that price, okay, let's look for a manipulated market, yeah? Yes. Good. Let's look for a manipulated market. This side is actually well manipulated. This region on this is chain link, all right? This is chain link. So we have this candle said we had an uptrend here, bullish. There's enough volume to push it. The sentiment bullish. The market start going up. And once you see a blue candle with a red wick, it's an indication of a weakness. That is the price going up is currently weak. That is the volume that's going to push you upward is currently weak. Once that blue turns to white, it's an indication that the market is going down. Like what happens here? What happened here? If it turns to white with red wick, it's an indication that the market is going down. So if it's blue with red wick, it's already telling you that it is weak. Market is weak. Prepare to take your profit or protect your profit, or just chill. Sometimes I tend to wait. Like I said, it's very important. As much as you're using a tool that gives you, I don't want to say a very good percentage of, a tool that actually gives a very good percentage of certainty, right, or guarantees, right? You should be very, very cautious, and you should also know that you must have a very good sense of risk management strategy. Okay, for those that are subscribing, right, for those that are given access, we have a Telegram channel we have already created to teach everyone risk management strategy, how to protect risk management applies to both trading, gambling, applies to life, applies to business. Whatever you do, everything, you need to actually apply risk, because waking up, taking the step out of your bed is actually risk. Going out of your house is risk, but you need to understand how to manage your risks. Also in trading and investment, you need to understand how to manage your risks, and that's one of the first rule in risk management strategy, especially in trading, is once you see your profits, protect it. I always say protect your profits. Very, very important. Protect it. Once you see it. So the way these tools work, like I said, once you see the blue candle, a blue candle with green wick, it's telling you the potential of the market going up is good. So once you see it, protect it. But once you see a blue candle with red wick, that is the red line, you call it wick or tail. This line extension, you call it wick or tail. Once you see a blue line with red wick, it's an indication that the market, the bullishness is already weak. Sentiment is already changing. Markets can start going downward. But it doesn't confirm until the next candle close. If the next candle after that one closes above it, is valid. It has invalidated that bearishness. That is, it has invalidated the fact that the price is going to go down. But if the next candle after this blue candle with red is red or is green, and the green did not close above 50% of this candle, forget, the price is going down. Look at what happened here. went down. Look at what happened there, went down. Let's look for another scenario. Look at what happened here. Now it closes above 50% of the candle. You can see price went up. Look at what happened here. The next candle actually closes below it. So it turned white, indicating that the market is bullish. Even though the next candle is a green, it's still white, but with green wick. Like I said, if the candle doesn't close, if the price probably rejected and it did not close above this line, this yellow line, the market is yet to go flip. So the green arrow basically tell you a bullish flip, that is buy flip, that is market is turning to uptrend. The red indicates bearish flip, that is market is going downward. So that's the way it works. Like I said, look at the another example here. We have the bullish, this is the bullish candle right there. This market is going to go up. Or you see this blue with red wick indicated that the market, the sentiment is already changing. But the next candle after it, what did I say? Basically come here and test the 200. We test the moving average, that's the yellow line, and reversed upward. And look how it closes above 50% of this candle. Actually 50 to 60%. Once it closes closes above 50% of the previous candle, there's an indication the market is going to go up. So that's like one of the things you should watch out whenever you're trading. So the colors, like I said, white means bearish, blue means bullish. Okay, and the arrows are going to help you. And I'm basically recapping right now. So the yellow line is a major line where the candlestick needs to close above or below for you to decide your direction, especially if you are shorting or you're longing. So let me see if you have any question. If you have any question, please drop it. Let me know. Let me know if you have questions. Let me know. Please drop it. Let me know. Questions, drop it. If you want us to analyze any charts, please just drop the name of the coin, USDT, Nasdaq, and wherever. Yeah. Okay. Like I said, there was I spoke about. I told a friend about one of the charts a few days ago. I think that I told him that was on Thursday. I told him to analyze when I told him about the assets, he said he wants to check out Nasdaq because I said it works for all markets. Yeah. So he wants to check out Nasdaq, and I'm like, fine, good. Let's check it out. And that was it. He checked out the Nasdaq. That was it. Okay, I'm going to share my screen right now where you can see it. So I told him about it, and that was a conversation. Like, what's up, Alpha? Have you checked the chart after the indicator predicted, right? And he said, I haven't checked yet. Took some position yesterday. That was yesterday actually. Took some position yesterday that are all now in profit, and this was it. This was the asset, right? So it works for all markets, both forex, both stock, both crypto. Mention it. Just as long as it's on TradingView, it works. Just apply it. You enjoy it. Another asset, I think I mentioned it on our premium group on WhatsApp. Yeah, where I use it to analyze most of these assets. Are basically what I did with it. Bearish. Like I said, that indication is what I was talking about here. I think I analyzed Dodge, Scarf Dodge. Those are things I used to do. We did Euro USD, yeah. That was Euro USD on Wednesday, yeah. This on Wednesday. Euro USD. I said Euro USD is bearish. That was before it flipped bearish. That was on Wednesday, yeah. Now, if you go back to the chart, Euro USD chart, you can see. Let's go analyze it. Euro USD. I think I currently have it here. Okay. That was you can see I said it is bearish. That was on Wednesday. Euro USD I said is bearish on Wednesday. And where are we right now? 4-hour time frame. Good. See, I said it on Wednesday that Euro USD is actually bearish. That was on Wednesday. It's Tuesday, Wednesday. That was this period, and you can look at it. Look at what happened with the indicator. You can already indicated it on. I said it on Wednesday that it's bearish, and that's because I already saw this on Thursday. Right now, indicated downtrend, and you can see it's been going downtrend. And looking at going back to daily time frame, right? Looking at it, we've been having this. Like I said, once you start having a blue candle, with red wick, you need to wait for the next candle. If the next candle, this is a blue candle with red wick, this is a doji. It closes below it, it's still red. This one's still red, indication that the market has already got saturated. It's going to come down, come back to test this region. And if euro actually breaks this, if it breaks, let me project this a bit. If it breaks this yellow line below it, let's turn it to yellow. If it breaks it below it, then the market is going downward. But as long as it holds above it, the market actually has the potential of going back upward. So this actually is a correction on euro right now. So if you short euro when I made the call, then you'll have been in good profit right now. And that was on Wednesday. I made a call when I saw this. When I saw this, this was red, then I saw another this is red. And checking it on 4-hour time frame, like I said, its time frame is very important. 4-hour time frame indicated bearish. This is the bearish indication that yes, the market is going to go down, and before you know it, market start going down. So that's the way it works. If you have any question about how this indicator work, or you need more insight about it, you can ask on the group, you can ask on Telegram, you can also drop it in the comment section. Once I see it, I'm going to respond to them. So if you have any question, please drop them. If you have any assets, okay, so I'm going to analyze stock here. We already did euro, we did Nasdaq projection. Let's do DJI, right? DJI doesn't really have much volume right now. Let's do Tesla. So analyzing Tesla right now. Tesla Inc. on Nasdaq. Awesome. I said share it was going to be very few days ago. So you can see right now, all these gaps are just indicating CME gaps, volume break in between the market. CME basically CME gap. Mostly they end up going back to get filled. Right now, you can see what happened here at the top of the candle. You can see we have the blue candle with a red wick, indicating that the market has a potential of reversal. Now, the best time is not for you to place the candle. You need to wait for it to close and wait for this second candle to close as well. If this second candle closes as a red or closes below the previous candle, below this one, then obviously the market is going down. And right now you can see this is the major indication. It has already indicated on 4 hours that Tesla is currently bearish. Even though we have this, you can see some people will think like, oh yeah, the market actually can still go back upward. As long as it indicated this, you can see this is still a white. Even though this is an armor, this is what we call armor formation. And armor formation at the bottom of an uptrend means reversal. But looking at the candle right now, like I said, this indicator gives you more information. Once it is white, it's telling you that the market is still bearish. So shorting is still good. So by shorting right now, you're actually going to be in good profit. So let me look at it on a daily time frame. Yeah, on daily time frame, you can see we have that blue candle with red wick. The next one was a blue candle with red wick, and the next one right now is now the blue candle with red now close below the yellow line, indicating bearishness. And with that, today's candle right now, its current candle is currently white. And if you have shorted it right now, unless you shorted from this, you have probably been in some profit. That's for those that short. I know we have some bears and bulls around us. So we have the candle basically in telling you the direction of the market. I mean, that's the way it works. It's so easy to work with. And another major thing, yes, that I was going to talk about, another major thing that this indicator tells you is the market extremes. When the market is already extreme, getting to oversaturation like this, like if you look at Tesla right now, whenever you see this red label, once you see this red label, once you start seeing this red label, it's already telling you the market is bearish. Once you start seeing the red label, it's already telling you the market is bearish. That is, the market is already getting to point where it cannot go higher again. Once you start seeing this label, this red label. So you can either see a red label, this red dot, or you can see a blue. Once you see a green, if you see a green, let me see. Okay, yeah, there are points we see greens. Once you see it as green, it's telling you that the market is already getting to extreme. This is it. Yeah. Let's label it again. Yeah. It's already telling me the market is getting to extreme. So let's say we have a major sharp dump. It's best for you to use this if you want to analyze and get extreme. Use on an hour time frame, like from 24-hour time frame to weekly or monthly. That's the best time to actually be able to know to use it. Especially want to get extreme in the market. So using it on a daily time frame, you can see once it's indicated green, it's already telling me that Tesla is already getting to extreme. It's best time for you to buy. So this like telling you this is the best time for you to buy. Okay. That's the indication. When you start having this, so it's the best time to buy. Let's change it to green. So this is like the indication. So this region, let me just draw. Let's draw rectangle. What am I looking for? Yeah, rectangle. Yeah. So this region is like the best time for you to say you want to buy Tesla, and that's the indication. Once you start seeing, as before, you can see that before the major flip occurs, before it tells you about the major flip, it has already indicated extremes. That's like one of the major things you should look out for. So let's go to the extreme on the higher side. So it's already telling you Tesla is already getting oversaturated. Tesla is already getting oversaturated. This is the best time to sell. That is, market is already going to is reversing. Market is reversing when you start seeing this dot on top of the candle. It only appears at extreme situations when the market when it has stated that the market is already going to extremes. Okay, that's out when it shows. So that's basically how it works. If you have any other asset you want us to, let me check Telegram if you have any question. Telegram. Okay, no question in Telegram. Cool. If you have any questions about how it works and how to apply them, let me know. We're going to, this is version 1, right? We're going to be using we're going to be having insight on version 2 and how we can use version 2. Version 2 is actually going to be more user friendly in terms of, I'm trying to bring in AI into it that you can easily just type in, ask questions, and you get response about it directly, direct response about where you expect the market to go. That's like one of the things we're building into version 2. Oh my God, I didn't share it on. I didn't share it on my status. So if you have any question, please drop it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Any question? Any question? Any question? So while I'm waiting for question, let's just hit some jazz on the background. Awesome, guys. Yeah. So, if you have any question, like I said, please drop it in the comment section. And I believe everybody understand everything that's been explained so far. I think I have a response here. I have a question here. Yeah? If you have any question about it, and you have any, probably you trapped in an asset you want me to analyze for you, let me check it out. Let me do it for you right now. Let's analyze it right live on this chart, right? And we can probably analyze Bitcoin, right? See Bitcoin. Let's see what the charts, right? You can see I'm currently consolidating on Bitcoin, right? But for me, that the price indicate that this arrow indicates downtrend doesn't mean it's going to go fully downtrend. Sometimes the market can be manipulated, like I said. But right now, you can see right now, if you're on Bitcoin, for my projection for Bitcoin is just for it to consolidate around this region, right? is going to be consolidated around this region for quite a long time. That's my expectation for Bitcoin. It's going to consolidate about Bitcoin around this region. Then it's going to come back to test this region. Yeah, we're coming back to test on Bitcoin. Yeah, once if you break this line, that's the 28K region, 2200 region, then we're coming down. But this is the region, like let's go to, I don't know why my chart is not really zooming. Let's go to logarithm. Yeah, I'm using logarithm chart now. So I'm going to go to Bitcoin on monthly. There's analysis I've done before now. If you're on my Medium, you will have seen it. Okay, good. When Bitcoin is going to dump, So let me just do a final dip on Bitcoin analysis. Like if you look at what has been happening in the previous bull run, you can see that we have a peak in November. That was in November. That's when it had the peak. Then Bitcoin had the major downtrend till January of the that's okay. In 2013, we peaked at November. We retraced back to the dip in January 2015. In 2018, we peaked in November. Also, let's say November. Let's say November, December, thereabouts. And we dipped in January 2019. Last year, 2021, we peaked in November as well. And using the same projections, 13 bars and 397 days or 396 days thereabouts, we have dipped in December, right? Which actually I projected to January, but January was a bit bullish. Anyway, I projected to January, but we did it in. I projected to January, but we dipped in December. That is why I'm actually projection. Like if you look at after the major correction, Bitcoin normally has a 216 days. That's like 7 months of consolidation before the major breakout. And look at it after that was in 2016. In 2020 also we have a consolidation after if you count the candles, right, we have about 243 days of 213 days of consolidation before the major breakouts. So we are yet to enter that major consolidation season, and we're going to be entering that in August. That is next month. By next month, we're going to enter the consolidation region where Bitcoin is actually going to consolidate before we have a major breakout. So for people that are saying Bitcoin would possibly hit 10K, yes, it might. I wouldn't say you can't nullify anything right now. It's possible for you to hit 10K, but my expectation is just for it to consolidate between November and February. That's November and March, actually March, February. It's going to consolidate around this region. Then it is at this region, it's going to come back to test around 14K region, probably 14 to 17K, this region. That's what you see here, this region. It will come back to test this region. Once it come back to once Bitcoin drops to test this region, then we are ready to go. That is when I will say we are ready to buy. And I expect those indicators, like I said, looking at the indicator here, you can see the last bull run, it indicated the extremes. You can see it here. This was the extreme indication that this market has already gotten to the highest. Take your profit and jackpot. So that is it. Correctly, it did not indicate the extreme for the bears, but actually indicates the crossover when Bitcoin was ready to cross bullish. So those are things you actually should look out for. So that's the way it works. If you have any assets you want me to analyze, please drop it. Okay. Somebody like, okay, good. Awesome. Thanks for the feedback. And like I said, use the link in the description to actually request for access to be able to test this tool. Okay. I think we've actually spent about an hour already. I want to close right now. And thank you all for joining. Thank you for the insight. For those that shared, for those that have actually connected to other people, for those that referred, for referrals and all the introductions, for the network to your community and everything. I really appreciate that for everybody that have actually used the link to share, that have shared the community and shared the link with everybody. For those that attended as well, for both on Facebook and YouTube, I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for joining, and don't forget to invest and trade smartly. I normally say trade passively, but now I'm adding invest to it. Don't forget to trade smartly and invest smartly. So if you have any other question or you still have any tools you want me to analyze for you, please head up to our Telegram community on Crypto Smart Analyst on Telegram. We have a channel there. Just type Crypto Smart, search for Crypto Smart Analyst, or you can look the link in the chat box right now. Use the link, join the community, and ask any question you have. Also, drop your sentiment. If you have started using, if you started testing the tool, please share screenshots about your results and how it works for you. Share screenshots with the community. Let everybody benefit from it. So thank you, and do have an amazing, almost exactly an hour. That's interesting. Do have an amazing day, morning, or night, whatever you might be listening for. And for those that have been watching, please don't forget to use the link to request for access. I'm currently giving 7 days free access to everybody that joined, and enjoy. Have a nice time. Bye.